In this business, it all comes down to communication and execution. They carried out both of those tasks exceptionally well. The biggest thing I look for subcontractors is their responsiveness, their communication. If I reach out to their project manager, that I'm gonna be able to get a hold of them. If I ask or have a specific request, hey, we need more manpower on site, we're falling behind schedule a little bit, there was no friction with MetroWall. Had a great experience with them from the initial stages as far as submittal shop drawings, being engaged in our subcontractor meetings. They were always available, always diligent with any ask that we had them, and their work has been spectacular here. Everything we needed from them, they delivered on.